It's CommonWell TV for 2021, right here from our Orlando studios. And we're introducing you to some of our CommonWell Health Alliance members. And a brand new member we turn our attention to, that's Pluto Health. And Dr. Joy Bhosai, she joins us now. She's both the founder and CEO of Pluto. And so, Dr. Joy, if we can maybe take a look at how the pandemic has really affected health IT overall.
Yeah, absolutely. I think, as unfortunate as it is that we've had to go through this pandemic, it's really forced the industry, providers, payers, technology stakeholders to reimagine the workflow for care for patients. I think this year has forced us to think about how we empower not just providers, and hospitals to take care of patients, but how patients can be empowered with tools to help manage their care. We've really thought, since we've had to move to virtual, thinking about how do we distribute technologies and innovations that are really centered around the patient and how they experience illness within their homes. So it is a truly exciting time for healthcare and innovation, and I'm so excited to see the technologies that will be sustained beyond the pandemic.
Well, speaking of beyond, I'll ask you to put on a little crystal ball, or at least look at the crystal ball and see maybe what's on the horizon here for health IT in the immediate future.
Yeah, it's a great question. I think as we distribute more innovative tools and models that are centered around the patient, this issue of data and who owns it and privacy and how do we bridge all the data together will become more ever so forefront in the health technology world. I think, we have the privilege of collecting and aggregating and storing data in so many places now that we didn't, 20, 30 years ago. And so I think what's on the horizon is thinking of new models and ways that we can preserve security, respect patients' rights, but also think about how we meaningfully utilize and leverage the data that's coming in.
Well, I mentioned that Pluto is one of our newest members of CommonWell and our Health Alliance. So why was CommonWell such a good fit for Pluto?
Well, for me, I think, as a company that's working to bridge silo data and make that data work for patients, it was a natural fit because at the end of the day, what we want to do is enable sharing of data across patients to better improve their care. And I think the ethos and the mission of CommonWell is just amazing. And we want to do our part in supporting the network and contributing back information that can be useful for the patient in the long run.
She's Dr. Joy Bhosai. She is the founder and CEO of Pluto. And CommonWell, happy to have Pluto aboard. And for more information on them, we invite you to log on to CommonWellAlliance.org. Thanks so much, Dr. Bhosai.
Thank you.
Thanks for watching this episode of CommonWell TV. To get the latest news and updates, follow CommonWell on Twitter. We also encourage you to subscribe to our CommonWell YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to receive notifications when a new episode is posted.